How to delete your Google account in 2025 settings. To delete your Google account, simply make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Press on your profile image icon, then press on Manage your Google account. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see Data and Privacy. Press on that link. If you're using your mobile device, you can still follow the same process. Then what you need to do is scroll down the page, whereby you will see more options. Here, press on Delete your Google account. Then the next step, Google will tell you, you know what? You can download your data before you delete your Google account. Then you need to read through what you're deleting, because once you delete your Google account that is associated with your email address, your Google account will be completely deleted. That is how you delete your Google account. Simply press Delete Account to finalize the deletion.